So we'll start a new appropriation sum. See this sum, that Aarti, Bharti and Kirti are partner sharing ratio half, 3/10 and 1/5 after providing the interest 5% per annum on their respective capital. Aarti is 50,000, Bharti 30,000 and 20,000, and allowing Bharti's and Kirti's salary is 5,000 per annum. So this capital 50,000, 30,000, 20,000 during the year 31st March 2000, Aarti had withdrawn 10,000 and Bharti and Kirti withdrawn 2,500 and 1,000 respectively. Profit and loss account for the year ended showed and net profit is 45,000. On 1st April 2019, the balance of the current account of the partners are 4,500, 1,500 on interest on charge on drawings and the current account. Interest will not charge on the current account. Show the partner's capital and the current account as 31st March 2020. So here the net profit is 45,000. Interest on capital 5% per annum. So the capital of the respective is 50,000. We should write over here 50,000, 30,000, 20,000. So the interest on capital of Aarti %5 of this again 5% of 50,000, it's 2,500. Now the Bharti 5% of this and the Kirti will be 1,000. So the total interest will be 5,000. Now back to questions. Bharti and Kirti's salary is 5,000 each per annum. So the salary of Bharti and Kirti, right over here, 5,000 per annum. So there is 5,000, there is 5,000. Altogether 10,000. Respectively. The current account balance, Aarti has a 4,500, so we make a separate current account. The Aarti has a credit balance of 4,500. All are credit balance 1,500 and here is 1,000. Now the automatically the profit will come as 35,000. So that 35,000 will share between Aarti, Bharti and Kirti in that manner. See, the ratio is half, 3/10 and 1/5. So I will calculate this ratio. See, this is half. Three-tenth, half, 3/10 and 1/5. So here the denominator has to be equal. I will calculate this. Now if you multiply 5 and this will be also multiplied by 5, then the answer will be 5/10. Here if you multiply by both of 2, both numerator and denominator, then it will be 2/10. So see, our ratio is 5/10. This will be ratio 5/10. This is 3/10. And this is 2/10. So the ratio will be 2/10. So the ratio is 5:3:2. So from that purpose, 35,000 divided by 10 into 5. So the first answer will be 17,500. Second will be 10,500. And this will be 7,000. If you add all these things, it will become 35,000. So our profit and loss appropriation account is complete. So the new ratio, you can see the new ratio, we can write 5:3:2. Now we have to transfer all these things. There is no balance, so the same answer will come over here. Same answer will become, and just transfer the current account, because here in questions it's mentioned capital and current account. That means it is a fixed capital method. So all adjustment like interest on capital, interest on drawings, all are come over here. There is no interest on drawings, but interest on capital over here. Interest on capital we should charge 2,500. $1,500, 1,000. Salary, there is a Bharti and Kirti salaries, you should write 5,000, both of 5,000. Commissions, there is no commission. Net divisible profit, it will come 17,500, 10,500, 7,000. So the sum sheet is complete. I will send these questions and this video also, you can see properly. Thank you so much.